Welcome back with another video. So I find a new game that's called Cabin Crew Simulator. I've played this game like in old times in this account. So also don't mind my mouse like that. Oh yeah. So I just changed it because I wanted to. So in this game, what you do, you become like a thing, I think. Yeah, what was the name? Yeah, a flight attendant, and you have a plane which flies to a destination. Uh, and you have to serve people, giving them food, making them ready for takeoff plus arrival. Yeah. So that and stuff. Plus, there could also be some incidents like a plane crash or so. Guys, it feels so weird for me. It's been a long time I haven't played. I have upgraded. I still could tell how noob I was. I have so bad equipment. I didn't even check what I had on the menu, but nah, it will do it. So let's just board. So I'll just let them board. Okay, these guys, let me close the cabin door. What? Ginger Alley? That's definitely not Ginger Alley. That's water. Bro, why the hell do you call it Coca-Cola when it's clearly a water bottle? Let's just start the boarding. What? What are these? Oh, mission suitcase retrieval. Interact with passengers in Roblox here to help them find their suitcase somewhere. Time remaining, I don't know. Oh, challenges. Complete 3 flights. Stock 0 items in galley cabinets. Complete suitcase retrieval mission. I don't know what the hell that is. Just let's go. So everyone's here. Let's close the door. Close overhead cabins. Let's just spam E. Okay, get them ready. Can you bring your straw table? And this guy. Like passengers, I've never seen a flight in my entire like when I played this game that a passenger, every passenger would do their job and help me. Like they always have problems. And I've witnessed a thing where a passenger does not follow the rules and we have to duct tape him. So just look at the graphics, man. Let's do the free cam. Oh, we're slow? No, who said that? We're faster than the plane. Let me show you the outside view like this. Oh, hell no. Plane, I'm faster than you. Where did the plane go? Okay. Yeah, I'll just close the free cam. Oh, we have to serve cards. Oh, la, la, la. So this guy wants food. What are these? Pretzels? What are these names, bruh? So this guy wants crackers. 3 crackers and what did he want? A ginger alley. Okay. Guys, believe me, it feels so weird like playing. What's happening? Man, what's happening? Yo, what? Why everyone's shaking? Jeez, bruh. Yeah, anyway, everyone just eat their food and let me do my job and get my money. So just take on your Sprite and your Coca-Cola. and what? Crackers. They both want chips. And this guy also wants a Coca-Cola. Oh no, he wants a Pepsi. Anyone wanting? Okay. This guy also wants a Pepsi. This guy wants Hershey's, not Hishies. So, which one was the food? Yeah. 9. Give that to that. And we click 4 on our keyboard. There's Pepsi. We give it. Easy. But I still don't know what was that shaking. Yeah, but you saw how I was just a chill guy. Yeah. So just they don't let me to do my job. I need to earn money, guys. I don't care about whatever you want. I need to earn my money. This guy wants coffee. Hey yo, the coffee looks sus. Hey yo. Let's give Sprite. Okay, I guess we're done. Let's get back to sitting. Bro, my character's so fat. My hand sticks out of the door. Or the plane is just tiny. Oh, trash time. Everyone give me their trash. Don't be silly. Quick. Gimme. Gimme. Gimme, 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 gimme. Gimme all of that. Gimme. Gimme. Yeah. Why am I doing noises like that? Boom. In the trash where you belong. Emotional damage. Hey, man, pull your seat back up, right? You're gonna make my job harder. Hey, bring your seat up, right? Yeah, close it. Jeez. Oh my god. Yeah, it sucks playing first. What? Jeez, fine. Finally, not fine. So this guy got 2 jobs to do. And bring your straight table. Fine. Shut up, shut up. Oh, let's close the free cam and... Huh? How did our plane just teleport right there? Like how? How the hell in this... Okay, they're getting ready for a landing. I'm gonna land way faster than you. We got any disasters happening? No. Absolutely, mate. Yo, what's happening? Why are we shaking? Yeah, I guess I'll wait and click skip to taxi. Oh, I didn't close the leaderboards. Jeez. Come on, give me the option. Give me that option. Also, guys, in other airplane games, in other games, like literally, your plane has a feature called reverse. You become a pilot. Like, planes can't reverse in real life. They go reverse like to the runway with a special car. Like, literally. Like, how the hell your plane goes in reverse? That's like the world's most illogical thing. Yo, let me open all the overhead cabins. Yeah, finally. I got... Oh! Now, guys, we have money to buy a new plane. After that, after I buy the new plane, I'll most probably like buy a new destination because I'm tired of flying to New York. No, like in this game. Oh, what's the bathroom? Sorry. New York Airport. I think it was here at the arrivals. La 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 la. 50 degree Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. On Saturday, 7 Celsius and 10 Celsius. Okay. Yeah, I'll just reset, guys. You know what? This New York airport is just too busy. And anyway, with that, it's been a long video. So, bye bye, guys. Have a nice day. Meet you in another video.